Hello, I am Keshav Aggarwal, a first year student of management. Thanks for taking out a moment to watch my video series. I hail from district Yamunanagar, Haryana, which is situated at the banks of River Yamuna. I did my initial schooling from there as well. After that, I shifted to New Delhi to pursue my bachelor's in mathematics from Delhi University. I also did master's in sociology, which is something I am very passionate to read about. Both of these disciplines help me to grow academically and professionally. I also have a work experience as a relationship manager with City Union Bank, New Delhi, Janakpuri, where I learned about day-to-day banking operations, cross-selling of various products, banca insurance, and how to deal with customers on day-to-day basis. I have various certifications related to procurement management, vendor managed inventory, Six Sigma White Belt, and a 1-year certification in German language at A1 level from Delhi University. In order to grow further and transit my career into supply chain, I am currently pursuing MBA from Mittal School of Business, where I did various academic projects related to supply chain, such as providing inventory management solutions to Lenskart, providing sustainable logistics solution to Ather Energy. I believe that I have developed enough skills which will help any organization to grow and for the overall betterment of the society. You can reach me out via following channels. Thank you.